I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Now the Texas pledge.
Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Now for the moment of silence. You may be seated. What are they serving up today in the Starship Cafeteria, Diego Spock?
Today's specialty is turkey over rice, turkey dog bites, or turkey hot dog, carrots, fresh fruit, and gelatin. Maddie, I have a question. What is a turkey dog, and why does it bite?
It's not a real dog, Diego Spock. It's a type of sandwich called a hot dog made with turkey meat, and it surely does not bite.
I see. Well, I don't really see it, but it is just an expression I've heard some humans sometimes use when they understand something.
True.
What is the weather report today? We don't have weather in space. Occasionally we have a bit of turbulence crossing an asteroid belt or when a comet zips by.
Well, we don't have anything that exciting today. I can promise you a cool and clear sunny day with a high of 66 degrees. Not an asteroid in sight.
Really? What about a planet or star?
Just the sun. We're still in for a Star Trekific day. Speaking of stars, this Thursday is our reflection ceremony.
Did you happen to turn anything great this year?
I did, and I'm so hoping that I can get a trophy.
Don't worry, everyone who participates gets at least a trophy.
Oh, well, I'm still excited. It starts at 6:15, and after all the excitement, we'll have some light refreshments. Say, Diego Spock, to what do we owe the honor of this visit?
Word of Clayton's amazing readership has traveled across the galaxy and beyond to Vulcan, my home planet. I had to come see it for myself.
That's pretty incredible. Word must travel pretty fast.
Faster than you Earthlings can imagine, or even calculate. My friend Origami tweeted me about it.
How is Origami Yoda? We haven't seen him in a while.
He is currently on a book tour somewhere in California. He said to tell the Cardinals hello. He will visit again soon. He beamed you this.
An origami cardinal? Wow, thank you for the Yoda-rific gift.
You're welcome. You humans and your emotion. I wish I could get excited, but it is not in my genes.
Maybe with a little practice, it will come easier for you.
Perhaps. How about a joke? A little Yoda told me jokes are funny.
I have a space joke for you. What do you call an alien spaceship that's dripping water?
What do you call an alien spaceship that's dripping water? The question does not make sense. Not respectful alien ship would allow his or her ship to leak anything. Besides, at the rate aliens travel, any liquid would vaporize.
Diego Spock, it's a joke. It doesn't have to really happen. Pretend an alien ship could drip water.
I see. In that case, I will attempt to think like an Earthling and I will respond later.
Of course. In the meantime, let's welcome some special guest reporters from the Star Trek readership. They are here to report about accelerated readers.
I'm Nook, and you must read this book. I think science fiction books are lots of fun for everyone.
As Kindle, I think you should read Frindle or Swindle. I've had some fantasy books of the current fad.
Thank you for coming today. Do you always speak in rhyme?
Not always, although wordplay is fun to do.
So true. Cardinals, we come to announce the latest and greatest news about your school.
Mrs. Tuttle is known throughout the Milky Way as the best librarian in the universe.
We certainly agree with you. Surely, you must have some horrific facts for us today. Please share.
Drum roll, please. Cardinals have read a total of 157,932,077 words. In addition, they have read 10,239 books this semester.
Now for the classes update. In 3rd grade, we have Miss Rubelard's class with 1,174 points.
I recognize this Spocket cheer. It is the ultimate compliment on my planet Vulcan.
In 4th grade, it is Miss Canales' class with 1,369 points.
In
fifth grade's Miss Adair's total number 2,792 points.
Next AR assembly is Monday, December 13th. Diego Spock, is it possible that some of your relatives may attend?
It is possible. Thank you again, Reader Cadets, for your accurate reporting. As we say back home, read long and prosper. Congratulations to all Cardinals for your reading accomplishments. Blue bonnet alarm, blue bonnet alarm.
Actually, Diego, it's Bluebonnet Alert. Bluebonnet Alert. For the first time, we have 36 people who have qualified for the Bluebonnet Club.
In fact, 3 people have read all 20 Bluebonnet titles. I am astounded by all this reading.
It is pretty remarkable. Remember, Cardinals, the Bluebonnet voting is a little over a month away. The upcoming winter break is a good time to catch up on your reading.
Something else that is just over a month away is Science Fair.
Our good friend Dr. Einstein is joining us this morning to speak to you about the Science Fair. Dr. Einstein, what in the world are you doing? I thought you were supposed to be getting ready for Brain Launching Awesome Science Time, also known as BLAST.
Well, I am, but I came to see all the great scientists at Clayton and motivate them by rocking out to my favorite scientist, because science is fun and cool, just like the song "We Will Rock You, We Will Rock You." I am playing to my guitar, and I played so much I got blisters on my fingers.
You lost me. What does We Will Rock You have to do with science?
Well, did you know the man who wrote that song, "We Will Rock You," that you love so much, and played that wonderful guitar, is named Brian May, and he played lead guitar in the band Queen. But after his success as a rock musician, he saw science as so important that he went back to school to become a scientist. He is now Dr. Brian May, who studies astrophysics. Astro in Greek means star, and Dr. May studies the universe, including planets, comets, stars, and how they move and how they work. So you see, it's very possible to have fun with science and be very, very cool.
I can relate to this. I am very, very cool myself, or as you Earthlings say, hip. I hope I don't astonish you with my honesty. So you mean science is cool, and all the scientists here at Clayton who do their best on the science fair projects are also cool? Don't they win stuff too? Like
Yes.
certificates and ribbons?
Yes, yes.
Don't the scientists in 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade also have a chance to attend a Nobel luncheon if the projects advance in the science fair?
Yes, it is all very, very cool. And just like you, Diego Spock, it is very cool. And all the scientists here at Clayton. So don't forget to blast off into learning by doing your best on your science projects. Do your best and have fun. Rock out with science, Cardinals. I must blast off now. I'll see you soon.
Thank you, Dr. Einstein. I can't wait until science fair. I've got the best idea for a project.
Maddie, I have this strange feeling inside. I can't describe it. It is like an increase in energy. It starts in the middle and moves up. Is this what a smile looks like?
Not quite, Diego Spock. When you smile, the sides of your mouth go up.
I see. I am smiling. I will practice this some more. Am I smiling now?
Not yet. Say, I have an idea that may help. Do you know how to play rock, paper, scissors, lizard, Spock?
No, I am not familiar with this game.
I'll teach it to you during this commercial break.
We now interrupt this program with a public service announcement on personal hygiene.
I am not a doctor and don't play one on television, but I'm a professional germ eliminator, if you know what I mean. First a little soap, add a little water, and presto, the perfect hand job. It's very important to wash your hands. Sometimes germs can hide on them. Remember, the best thing to do to stay healthy is wash your hands and get rid of those germs. Plus, did you know this week is National Wash Your Hands Week? Well, be sure to wash your hands all the time to keep clean.
What is this wash your hands week? We don't have this on Vulcan.
After you cough, sneeze, or use a tissue, wash your hands under warm water for 20 seconds with soap. Be sure to hand dry both sides of your hands.
I see. You only do this for 1 week. Do you have only seven germs for 7 birthdays?
Oh no, you do this every time you cough, sneeze, use a tissue before you eat or after you play.
Play? What is this play?
That's another show.
For more information on wash your hands, please call 555 STOPE and do me away with the fake markets that don't try to support. Any questions, problems, or concerns you may have can be answered by your teachers. Remember, our employees are standing by for your phone. Now back to our broadcast.
Catchy tune, Doc.
Now about this rock, paper, scissors, lizard, Spock. You know what? Let's talk about this later. I'll tweet you about it.
I am ready for the joke again, Maddie. Maybe this will help me learn emotions.
What do you call an alien spaceship that is dripping water?
I tried to think like a human, but my mind process is too superior. Please tell me the answer.
It's a crying saucer. Get it?
I must be smiling on the inside. Ha ha. Good one, Maddie.
A quick reminder, Cardinals, that all of the students in 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade will be taking the reading benchmarks today. Students will be testing all around the school.
Please be quiet when you are in the hallways and using the stairs. On behalf of all test takers, we thank you.
Well, Diego Spock, all good, great things must come to an end. It was a pleasure anchoring with you today. I've got to blast back to Clayton for my benchmarks. Say hi to your dad, Commander Spock, and Grandpa, Captain Spock, for us. Be sure and visit if you're ever in the neighborhood or even the galaxy.
I hope to visit well as a Vulcan can hope. Will you tell me another joke, Maddie?
If you want me to. See, Diego Spock, there are some good things about being human.
True. Jokes, reading, and weather are great things, like me. Have a safe journey back to Earth.
Thank you. You have a safe trip home, too. That's all the news from a Spock's eye view.
Good luck on the benchmarks.
Read long and prosper, and fly high, Cardinals.
We're going for